Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you'd open the hood, then towards the passenger side you should see your coolant reservoir. And when you work with this system, make sure the vehicle's turned off and cooled down, just because the system works under pressure and this liquid can get to a boil. So you don't want to risk a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out onto you. But to add, this is the cap here, you just unscrew, set it off to the side, and either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug. You might need to take this cover off, but you can probably reach it without. But you just fill as needed. On the side, there's going to be right here a max line and a minimum, so you don't want it completely full. There's supposed to be a little air gap. Also double check your owner's manual, a good online source, that you've got the best type of liquid for your make and model. And you also typically want to match the same color and type of coolant that's already in here. It's better not to mix and match if you can help it. But once you top it off around the max line, you'll just screw this on nice and tight. And at that point, I would probably start the vehicle to circulate the new coolant for a few minutes through all of the motor. And then while it's doing that, I'd check through your engine bay, around your radiator, under the car, all through your lines to see if you see any coolant puddling. If you do see that, then that would be a good indicator that's an area of the car that has a leak that needs addressed. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It'd have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you feel it with a glove, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope it's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.